Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to IRS Tax Pro account for e-file access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official IRS website. Locate the section dedicated to Tax Pro accounts. Click on the link for e-filing services. You may be prompted to log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the necessary information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets the requirements provided. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Tax Pro e-file access page. Select the option to apply for an e-file account. You will need to provide your tax identification number or social security number. Fill out the application form with your personal and business information. Review all entries to ensure accuracy. Once completed, submit the application. You may receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or additional information. If approved, follow the instructions in the email to finalize your account setup. Once confirmed, log back into the IRS Tax Pro account. You will now have access to e-filing services. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools and features. Make sure to regularly check for any updates or changes. This will ensure you always have the latest information regarding e-filing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.